The Worx WG252E is a cordless pole trimmer with an adjustable extension pole to make it easy for you to reach tall hedges without the need for a ladder, and an adjustable head to select from 10 positions to get the perfect cutting angle you need. The rear handle can be rotated 180 degrees to get the perfect trimming position, ensuring maximum comfort and reducing fatigue. It has a 45cm laser-cut dual-action blade for a precise cutting action and less vibration, and a 16mm cutting diameter to trim moderately thick branches and overgrown hedges with ease. A soft grip handle and supporting shoulder strap keeps you working comfortably in all positions. The 252E is an ergonomic design, and with the advantage of using a PowerShare battery, which you'll be able to share with any of your other Worx power tools in the PowerShare family. To assemble, first take the lower handle section and flip open the release lever. Now take the trimmer head and remove the protective cap at the end, taking notice of the shape of the connection point. Take the trimmer head and insert it into the handle section in the correct orientation so that the trimmer head slides into place and the two orange buttons on either side click and lock into place. Close down the release lever. The black shoulder strap can be attached using the two end clips, here and here. Remove the blade sheath. Slide a fully charged battery into place on the handle and you're ready to go. To power up the pole trimmer, press the orange safety button on the top of the handle and then pull up on the power lever to start the trimmer. For your safety, it's not possible to activate the trimmer without pressing the safety button first. To extend the length of the pole trimmer, flip open the lower of the two release levers and then pull up on the inner extension pole, locking the release lever once you have the right height. To change the trimmer head angle, press down on either side of the rotational button and then adjust the trimmer head to one of 10 different angles. Release the button to lock the head into place once again. Press the forward orange button on the power handle to release the handle so it can be rotated left and right into your preferred position. Rotate the handle until you have a comfortable grip and then release the orange button to lock it into place. Always read the safety and operating manual prior to use for the first time. The pole trimmer should be used with two hands using the shoulder strap across one shoulder to help with the balance. Extend the pole trimmer reach and head angle as required. The WG252E pole trimmer gives you a 3.2 meter reach for those tall hedges. More importantly, it means you can work on your own without the need for a ladder. As an additional accessory, there is also available a chainsaw head, which can be fitted on the lower handle section in place of the trimmer head. This gives you the ability to cut thicker branches safely at reach and without the need for a ladder. The WG252E is a cordless pole trimmer. It has an adjustable extension pole, 10 adjustable head angles, a 180-degree rotating rear handle, and a soft grip handle with a supporting shoulder strap. This is an ergonomic model to help you reach those tall hedges without the need for a ladder, and can be turned into a pole chainsaw with the purchase of an accessory. The WG261E is a cordless hedge trimmer with a 45cm blade and a 16mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, hand guard, and a multi-position front handle. This is a lightweight and well-balanced trimmer, ideal for smaller gardens. The WG264E is an ergonomic trimmer with a 56cm blade and a 20mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, hand guard, and a multi-position front handle. This model has a little more reach and is ideal for small to medium-sized gardens. The WG263E trimmer has a nitro brushless motor, a 57cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, hand guard, and a multi-position front handle. This is a powerful model with excellent runtime. The WG252E has dual PowerShare batteries for more power, a long 60cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a dual safety switch, handguard and a multi-position front handle, as well as a 180-degree rotating rear handle. This model is a workhorse, ideal for medium to large sized gardens. The WG286E has a nitro brushless motor, a 61cm blade and a 27mm cutting diameter. It has a safety switch, a handguard and a multi-position front handle, as well as a 180-degree rotating rear handle. This model has exceptional performance and is a powerhouse for the larger garden. We hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.